Congratulations on creating your first 60-second video. We are only one step away to share the video with the world via social media. We need the video to be in a video format to play it on social media and various media players. To do that, we need to render the video. Open your project file on Adobe Premiere. Go to File menu, then Export, and then click on Media. The shortcut key is Ctrl+M. Click and choose the video format for your video. You can render the video in QuickTime format and other formats. For now, I have chosen Windows Media. In the preset drop-down list, select HD 1080p and the frame rate 29.97. Make sure that you have checked the export video and export audio. In the video tab, make sure that the dimensions are 1920 and 1080 and frame rate is same as you selected during starting the project. Check the audio tab also. The settings are recommended and we don't need to change them. Also make sure that you have selected the work area. It is very important to check before rendering the video. The work area actually tells the renderer to consider rendering the selected area. It may render the empty space otherwise. Set the destination place when the final rendered video will be saved. We are now good to render the video. Hit the export button. Yay! The video is ready to play. Congratulations! You may now upload the video on your YouTube channel, Twitter handle, Facebook, LinkedIn, and share via WhatsApp and let the world know you.